welcome to the channel, and today we're going to take you to a new location but an old favorite, Paintbox Nails. Now this location is brand new in Los Jardines but has been featured before on the channel a while ago and Villa Olga. So let's take you in to the brand new Paintbox Nail Shop. This brand new shop is located in Los Jardines, Metropolitana, right in the plaza with Scory Cafe and some new shops that should be up and going pretty soon. It is right between IKEA and Plaza Optimus if you're on the Avenue 27 of Febrero, and it's off of Calle Jimenez. Very easy to find, centrally located, beautiful shop. There's Eric's brand new manicure. He's feeling like a new man. And we also have some beautiful options. They offer manicures, and as we girls know, acrylics, gel, dip powders, nail art of any shape like ballerina, square coffin, oval, stiletto, almond, whatever your heart's desiring. All types of pedicures, spa pedicures, feet wraps. If you need a patch because those heels are a little dry because we're changing seasons, they all are supplied. Deliver even products to your home, and they always, as you see the walls filled with their products, that they use the top quality products like OPI and Cusio. That's very important, especially for your nail bed health. So Eric's going to take you for a little tour through the facility. Let's talk the most important thing, and that is prices. So for a spa pedicure, meaning you have a scrub, a mud wrap, and then an intensive massage and pedicure, it is $19. I had acrylics, extensions, and some nail art done, so the total for my nails were $30 because I had a brand new set put on. And then Eric had a deluxe men's manicure, and that was $8.55. They also have available kits, personalized kits, where you can buy an entire box that is yours. You either take it or leave it there for every time that you come. We chose to leave it there because they disinfect it and have it ready for us every time that we arrive. And it's only used on you with all of the files, all of the nail clippers, everything that they would use on your feet while you're there. And that kit was $38. So our total for the day, all of our services, 2 pedicures, his manicure and my nail extensions, was $92. And I know a lot of people are going to say that's so high for the DR, but for this level of quality, these chairs, oh my gosh, the massage I received, I had a knot in my shoulder, and let me tell you, after 20 minutes on this chair, that was gone and I was almost asleep. It was well worth the money that we spent, tip and all, $92. And I'll tell you this, in Las Vegas, I would get my nails done every 2 to 3 weeks, and my nails alone with tip was $100. So look at the price difference in the DR. Everyone has their own budget, so you can go lower, you can go higher, of course, but for us, we just loved the service that we received. So welcoming, always accommodating. Our appointment was right on time, and just look at the immaculate facility. You really cannot beat Paintbox Nails for your service. So as always, stay tuned for more videos because we are going to try to feature a new service or place, restaurant / whatever. Give us some suggestions underneath the video, and we'll make sure that we cover different things that you guys are interested in and that we're doing around town, so that you can see firsthand how life in Santiago really is. So in a second, you're going to see the finished product, and I think that that was well worth $30. So as always, thanks for tuning in. And remember, Paintbox Nail, all information is on the video. Make sure to hit subscribe. Make sure to hit those notifications. Always give this and all videos a thumbs up. It's a free and easy way to patron. All information's under the video, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.